Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing the side splitting techniques, and it's very difficult for some people to get the side splitting very fast, but today I'm going to be breaking down some of the key important things that you need to know once you are doing the side splitting technique. And one of the ways that we are going to look at is the butterfly stretch. As you can, once you sit down like this, you're having the butterfly stretch, and once you get the butterfly stretch, everything is going to be easy. Once you sit down here, you're going to press it down, press it down, press it down. And the second thing that we are going to be looking at is going to be the pigeon stretch. And to get the pigeon stretch, I'm going to lean down here for some times. From there, I have to make this leg straight. Then this one, and come down one towards the ground. Get up again. 2 towards the ground. Get up again. 3 towards the ground. Up again. 4, 5. Hold it here for some times. Then we can do the same in the left side. Sit down like this. Come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing as you did in the previous side. Pigeon stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it here and count out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's test everything together. I'll count out of 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same to the sides. 1,